This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the automatic renewal payment method on your Nintendo Switch Online. So maybe you don't want your credit card being charged or something like that. You want to go ahead and just use your funds. So the first thing we want to do is access the account information page, so we can go over to all software and then scroll on down to re-download software. This is the easiest page to access it. Just choose your user now. And then once we get to the Nintendo eShop, it's going to load back and forth, and then we can go to our account information on here. So let's scroll all the way up to the top and go to our name, and then we can scroll on down and we can go to payment method for automatic renewal / pre-orders. So we can go to change now. So we have the option to use our credit card as automatic renewal, PayPal, or available funds. So once our subscription ends and it automatically renews, whatever we have selected under here is going to be the chosen method. Then we can back out and we can add a credit card right here. We can add PayPal. Otherwise, we can go to add funds. So we can use a credit card or anything else, maybe like a Nintendo eShop gift card right here. So if we select this, we have to redeem the code, the prepaid code. Then we can go back and we can go to Nintendo Switch Online. Maybe we want to go ahead and cancel the membership right here. Just go into this section and we should be able to cancel out. And once we cancel, the automatic renewal will be turned off. Otherwise, it will be under your subscriptions. So you can cancel it out or just change the payment method to something that you want to go ahead and use. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.